Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to type bold text on Facebook. So when you're creating your posts, you might want to make certain words stand out by using bold. But you might have noticed there's not a feature to do that right in your post. So hi, I'm going to write a post. And I'm going to show you how to turn that into bold text. So I usually use an external website. So I'm going to open up a new page. So I'm going to type in bold text generator Facebook. And I'm just going to use the first one that comes up. There's loads of different ones. Then I'm going to copy and paste my text. Go over to the text generator and you put your text that you want bolded into the left hand side and you get lots of options here. So you have like bold serif, bold sans, italic bold, medieval bold and block bold. So you have all these different ones you can use. So all you need to do is copy and paste and take that back over to your post. Delete what you had in there already, and you've got your bolded text, which looks pretty funky. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.